is something deeply charming about a vintage-inspired wall that feels collected over time rather than bought all at once. In this design journey, we are creating an affordable cottage gallery wall that brings warmth, personality, and old-world comfort into the home without stretching the budget. The beauty of this style lies in its softness, its layered character, and its slightly nostalgic soul. Instead of chasing perfection, we are embracing texture, memory, and the quiet elegance of found pieces that make a room feel lived in and loved. Before choosing any frame or artwork, it helps to imagine the feeling you want the wall to carry. A cottage gallery wall should feel cozy, romantic, and a little bit timeless, like a page from a well-loved home journal. Think of soft cream tones, muted greens, faded florals, old portraits, botanical sketches, and delicate vintage prints. Even on a budget, this mood can be achieved by keeping the palette calm and consistent. A strong vision will help every thrifted find, printed image, and handmade detail feel like it belongs in the same story. One of the smartest ways to build a beautiful gallery wall affordably is by searching for frames at thrift stores, flea markets, yard sales, or even hidden corners of your own home. Old frames often have more charm than new ones because of their worn edges, carved details, and slightly imperfect finishes. A mix of wood, gold, black, and ivory frames can create a rich collected look without feeling chaotic. If some frames are mismatched, that only adds to the cottage charm, because vintage design is never about sameness. It is about harmony through variety. Artwork does not need to be expensive to feel meaningful. In fact, some of the most beautiful gallery walls are built with printable art, public domain illustrations, old postcards, pressed flower scans, handwritten quotes, and botanical studies. These pieces can be downloaded, printed at home, and placed into thrifted frames for a polished result on a modest budget. The secret is choosing images that feel soft and timeless, not overly modern or visually loud. When the art echoes the cottage mood, the wall begins to feel like an intimate collection rather than a random arrangement. A stunning gallery wall needs rhythm, and rhythm comes from contrast. Instead of using only one frame size, mix small, medium, and slightly larger pieces to create visual movement. Oval frames, rectangular prints, square portraits, and even one decorative mirror can keep the composition interesting. The goal is not to make every piece match perfectly, but to arrange them so the eye moves naturally across the wall. A cottage gallery wall often feels more inviting when it has that layered, collected energy, as though each piece was discovered during a different season and brought home with care. planning the arrangement before hanging anything can save both time and frustration. Lay the pieces on the floor first or trace each frame onto paper and tape the shapes onto the wall to test the composition. This helps you see where the balance feels right and where a gap needs to be softened. A cottage gallery wall usually works best when it feels relaxed rather than rigid. Slight asymmetry can be beautiful, especially when there is a clear center of visual interest. The wall should feel curated, like an unfolding memory, not like a strict grid. To make the wall feel more like cottage decor and less like a standard frame collection, consider adding a few decorative accents. Small wall sconces, a hanging basket, a dried floral bundle, a tiny shelf, or a delicate antique-inspired ornament can bring depth to the arrangement. These touches help create texture and soften the overall look. Even the smallest object can make the whole wall feel more personal and expressive. When mixed thoughtfully with frames and prints, these layers add a romantic, handmade quality that feels especially beautiful in a cozy home setting. Lighting is the final touch that brings the entire gallery wall to life. Soft, warm light can make vintage frames glow and give printed art a gentle, inviting presence. A nearby lamp, a small picture light, or natural daylight from a window can completely transform the mood of the display. Harsh lighting can flatten the charm, while warm illumination enhances the cottage feeling and makes the wall feel dreamy and intimate. When the light is right, every frame, every faded print, and every little detail seems to whisper its own story into the room. One of the easiest ways to make an affordable gallery wall look professionally designed is by maintaining a cohesive color palette. Cottage interiors often celebrate soft and nature-inspired tones such as sage green, dusty blue, warm cream, muted beige, and gentle brown. Even when your frames and artwork come from different sources, repeating a few key colors throughout the display creates a sense of unity. This approach allows inexpensive pieces to feel intentional and refined. Rather than competing for attention, each element contributes to a calm visual rhythm that supports the cozy atmosphere of the room. Botanical artwork has long been a beloved feature of cottage-style decorating. Delicate illustrations of wildflowers, herbs, branches, and garden plants bring an organic elegance that never feels outdated. The beauty of botanical prints is that they are widely available as affordable downloads or vintage reproductions. Combining several botanical pieces within the gallery wall creates a natural thread that connects the entire arrangement. These images also introduce a subtle sense of outdoor charm, helping the room feel fresh, peaceful, and deeply connected to nature, which is at the heart of cottage-inspired living. A gallery wall becomes truly special when it tells a story. Alongside vintage-inspired prints and thrifted treasures, consider including personal photographs, family heirlooms, handwritten recipes, or meaningful keepsakes. These personal touches bring authenticity and emotional depth to the design. Cottage decorating is not about creating a showroom appearance. It is about building a home that reflects real experiences and cherished memories. When personal elements are woven together with vintage decor, the wall becomes more than decoration. It becomes a visual diary filled with warmth, history, and character. Small vintage mirrors can be wonderful additions to a cottage gallery wall. Beyond their decorative appeal, mirrors reflect natural light and create the illusion of a larger room. Antique-inspired mirrors with distressed finishes, ornate frames, or aged patinas blend beautifully with vintage artwork and decorative accents. A mirror placed among framed pieces adds variety while preventing the arrangement from feeling too repetitive. Even in a compact space, this simple addition can make the wall feel more dynamic and inviting, enhancing both the visual interest and the sense of openness. One of the most appealing aspects of cottage style is its acceptance of imperfection. Tiny scratches on a frame, slightly faded artwork, and weathered finishes all contribute to the character of the space. Instead of hiding these signs of age, embrace them as part of the story. A perfectly polished gallery wall can sometimes feel sterile, while a slightly imperfect one feels warm and genuine. Cottage design celebrates individuality and history, allowing every piece to showcase its unique journey. These imperfections often become the details that make the arrangement memorable and full of personality. A cottage gallery wall can evolve throughout the year without requiring major changes. Small seasonal additions can refresh the display and keep it feeling inspiring. During spring, delicate floral accents can bring freshness and color. Summer may call for botanical greenery and garden-inspired details. Autumn can introduce dried leaves, vintage harvest prints, and earthy textures, while winter can feature subtle wreaths, ribbon accents, and cozy seasonal artwork. These simple updates allow the gallery wall to reflect the changing seasons while preserving its timeless vintage foundation. Creating a stunning vintage cottage gallery wall does not require a large budget or expensive designer pieces. With thoughtful planning, thrifted frames, affordable artwork, personal treasures, and carefully layered details, any wall can become a charming focal point filled with warmth and character. The true magic of cottage decorating comes from creating a space that feels personal, welcoming, and collected over time. By blending creativity with resourcefulness, you can transform an ordinary wall into a beautiful expression of home, proving that timeless style is not measured by cost but by the stories it tells.